Pleasing difficult customers takes great skill when you're unable to give in to unreasonable demands. No matter what you do, you will not be able to please everyone, and some customers cannot be pleased by anyone. Here we offer some suggestions to help in difficult situations, but please remember that everyone has the potential to become obnoxious, rude, or impossible when they are partaking in alcoholic beverages. You are the adult in charge, so keep in mind that you may need to treat these difficult patrons with the patience you would use when dealing with little children. Alcohol is an attitude adjuster and can create a challenge for any server. When you are called to intervene in a difficult or heated situation, remember that you should always support your employee without insulting the customer. If you have properly trained your staff, then it is most likely that the customer has been out of line and is making unreasonable demands. To side with the customer will hurt the employee, possibly losing their loyalty, and invalidate your position as the manager. If your staff is negligent, what does that say about you? This is not about protecting your ego, but about protecting the reputation of the establishment. If you expect employees to enforce the rules and policies that you have established, then you must offer your support when a guest complains. If you side with the customer and break the rules to appease the guest, then you have created a losing situation. The employee feels disrespected and will no longer follow your rules, since in the end you will override them anyway. The patron now knows that their complaint will get them what they want, and they will no longer respect anything the staff tells them. Keep in mind that if you give in to a customer who wants preferential treatment one time, then they will always expect it. Also, be aware that bending policies for one patron will anger others or cause them to expect the same treatment. If you are going to disregard the rules, then why have them in the first place? You must be consistent. Of course, there are always reasons to break a rule, but just be sure that it is as recompense for an error on the part of the establishment, and not just because it's what the customer wants. Managers lacking in people skills often give in to the guest's demands because they do not have the ability to please customers without compromising the integrity of the business. You can be sure that this only creates more problems in the long run.